Si Cedric, mami ko, bitawan ko yan. Sige na,
Asan to?
basahin kami ko. No.
I video you.
Patutuyin ko. Patutuyin ko, teka lang. Okay, video ka muna ni mama. Kay papa. Don't move. Papakita kay papa. Oh. Don't move.
Don't splash water. Don't move, don't move.
Mama, I'm moving because I want to pussy.
Wala na.
Ayan kasi.
Tawin niyo ito magilid eh. Anak na. Yun nga, yun ang may sabi na. Sabi yung sa'yo, si kuya ang hahawak
Ako nga
sa'yo.
kasi hahawak.
Si kuya ang hahawak
Ay,
sa'yo.
wag mo basahin cellphone ko.
Hindi si mama.
Don't wet my phone.
Oh, di ba? Sabi sa'yo si kuya ang hahawak eh.
Ang pakay ko, hindi kita kapatid.
Ah.
Pampasin
Di
kita.
ba we said si kuya? Not your mama, ayan ha. You're super fat daw. Bad.
Oh, what happened? Oh. Oh. You tell Kuya what happened.
Mama to Papa.
Super bad. What Mama did? What Mama did? Oh, what Mama did?
I do like you, Kuya.
I will. Okay, put you down. Put you down. I don't wet my phone. Isa. Oh, don't move. Don't move.
Ayaw na niya kasi natatakot na. Don't move ka mo.
Don't move. I will teach you. Okay? You don't trust me. Why? Okay. You go there if you learn how to swim here. Okay? Because you go to your... wait, okay? Don't move. Don't move. Okay? You trust me. You trust me. You trust me. You trust me.
Nalunod na kasi eh.
You trust me.
I said no. Ay, hindi mo nakita ka.
Okay. Go away, mama.
I want to leave you. You're going to die.
Okay, walk to mama. Walk to mama. Huwag na kuya. Hindi niya alam kung saan siya.
You go behind me. You go behind me.
Hamid na. Sabi baka may ano mo.
You hold you hold
Baka
properly.
mailiga mo ha.
You hold properly,
Paano ka lulubog sa set? Huwag kang lalakoy.
Alam ko. You hold properly, You hold properly. I go down, okay? You hold
Ay, wag na.
properly.
Sadik, lulubog. O, sadik, lulubog na. Lulubog na, o. Mati, lalain mo ha. Ikaw dyan.
Mama.
What happened?
Ano ba lang hindi siya?
You go swim, you go swim, you go swim. Wow, you're good at swimming.
Kuya, I got you stop.
What?
I got that you stop, okay?
I stop and you stop, okay.
Okay. I go.
What happened?
Is it okay?
You see? You don't go with Mama. Mama will kill you.
Mama, you to Papa.
Yes, super
I want to eat you. Because you're not eating.
bad.
Next time I love you back.
Slap your face na naman. Sabi sa'yo, trust your kuya, di ba?
You trust me now? You trust me now? Okay, I teach you, okay?
Okay, kaya.
Okay.
Alin?
I want to go.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Wait,
I
wait.
put everything like
Okay,
that.
wait. You go forward.
Ma.
You go forward. Sige, sige. I got you. You see? I got you. Kiss me, yeah. Okay. I will teach you. This is what you do, okay? You don't move your legs. Don't move your arm. Okay?
Stay lang.
You stay only. I'm here. I will
You're
hold you if you
floating.
fall.
Floating.
Okay? I will hold you. Okay?
I did.
Okay. Are you ready?
No.
Okay. You wait. You don't move. I said don't move your feet. Don't move your feet. Don't put your...
Ayun,
if you
naka-floating
fall
na,
down, I will catch you. Okay?
No,
You hold your breath. You do like this.
Natatakot.
Charlie, look. Look at Kuya.
no, I want it.
Wait.
Natakot na kasi.
Charlie, look at Kuya.
Nakainom eh.
Oo. Magpa-upload ka.
Wait. Okay, you look, Kuya. Wait.
Ah, mataob mo yung kuya mo.
I will push you. Wait, okay? You do like this. You do. Look at Kuya. You do. You do like that. Okay? You don't blow. You hold your breath only.
Kuya.
I got you. I will catch you. Okay? Don't move. Ay, you will fall down if you move your foot.
Yeah, oh.
Don't move your feet. Don't move your feet.
Kuya.
Wait.
I need
Yes, guys.
I will teach you. I will teach you. I will teach you.
Guys, boy, Charlie.
I will put you want you kill Kuya?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Yeah. Oh, wait. I will teach you. Okay? Good. I will teach you.
Go ka doon, go
Don't
ka.
move.
Go ka doon, go.
Don't move.
Nanonood na kasi
Don't
kanina.
move.
I do like you now.
I
Don't like you na.
Siya.
Wait. Again. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1. Don't move. You will fall down.
Charlie, just go.
Sige, bitawan mo.
Okay, si kuya, oh.
Okay, I go play with you. Okay, you need me. I will fall down. Sige.
Kulin, huwag mo na yung si Charlie, Kulin. Magalit ka naman sa'yo.
Wait.
Charlie, relax.
Huwag ka mangialam. Wait.
Ay, nali ka na, hap na. Okay, go na. Dali mo na sa Cedric.
Don't want to go to Dubai? Ay, you splash my water. You splash my water. Oh, don't.
O, yung kiss na kuya.
Kiss me. I will let you down.
Hap na. Lagyan mo na siya sa gilid, doon sa pambata na. Sa Cedric. Lagyan mo na doon. Dali mo na siya doon, sa pambata. Ayan na, go na.
Are you holding it? You come here. You hold properly. Yeah, I got you. You hold properly. Now you go here. Slide like this. Do it. Okay,
Wala.
I will put you back here.
Naiwan sa pambata. Say sorry to kuya. Sorry.
Ay, magbabasain to.
Okay na yan. Nabasa na yung cellphone ko masyado.
Hindi ba sa...
Diba? Waterproof ba to?